Are you tired of getting hit with high fees every time you need to send money? Or waiting forever for transactions to clear? What if there was a way to send money as quickly and easily as posting a photo online? That's where USDt on Ton steps in, revolutionizing the way we handle money in our digital lives. Starting off, USDt brings unparalleled stability to the crypto world. Picture this: you just finished a music lesson and want to pay your freelance teacher on the spot. Done. With USDt on Ton, your money retains the stability of traditional fiat currency, but moves with the lightning-fast speed of cryptocurrency. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Enjoy the perks of digital currency without the volatility. For those who have friends or family overseas, the second major advantage of USDt is its efficiency in handling international transfers. Traditional methods can be costly and slow, but USDt on Ton transforms this process. Now, sending money abroad is as simple as sending a holiday greeting online, and just as fast, but much more impactful. Third, USDt is a cornerstone in the expanding universe of DeFi. It's a dependable base currency that supports everything from asset trading to loans and other financial services within the DeFi ecosystem. This stability encourages participation by reducing the inherent risks of price swings, making it ideal for investors looking for less volatility. The fourth innovation brought by USDt is in the realm of digital entertainment and microtransactions. Whether it's tipping a creator, paying for a virtual good in a game, or subscribing to exclusive online content, USDt on Ton simplifies the process. This system empowers users and creators alike, providing a seamless financial pipeline that supports the burgeoning economy of digital content. Lastly, USDt is transforming how businesses manage finances, particularly with cross-border transactions and payroll. Imagine a world where companies can instantly compensate international employees without the red tape and fees typical of conventional banking systems. USDt makes this possible, streamlining operations and cutting costs, which can be a major advantage in today's global economy. So, if you're ready to step into a world where financial transactions are as easy as sending a tweet, it's time to consider USDt on Ton. This isn't just about spending money, it's about reshaping how we interact with it in a digital-first world. Dive into the future of finance with USDt on Ton and see just how effortless managing money can be. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into how technology is transforming our financial lives.